Hello everybody, welcome back to another bee swarm video. Okay, that's recording. I've ran out of ideas, so we're doing another bee swarm video. This video, I did a 3 times boost with the code Summer's Miss. I did a 4 times super smoothie boost in Pepper Patch and made 70 billion. I spent that 70 billion on treats. So now I'm just waiting for my friend. Did my friend leave? No, he didn't. I'm just waiting for my friend to tell me which bees to level up. Jeez, my game. My game. Game. Bad game. Game. Nope, we're turning down graphics to 2. There. What if we turn on bees? Hide other bees is off. Oh. So, actually, Chris, come to my Habe. Yeah, so last video, we got our bear bee gifted, or, see, I tried to record it, but, like, it didn't record. It didn't record, which sucked. So, but yeah, I got my gifted bear bee. Alright, so we're gonna do what my friend is telling us to. Okay, tabby bee. That's 1 million. Not that big of a deal. Gifted bear bee. 1 million, not that big of a deal. Gummy bee, get over here. You're getting leveled up too. What? Wait, is this taking 10 million? That's not right. Because oh, I only had 7 million treats. Oh, now we only have 2 million left. So, that's not my hive. This is my hive, though. Festive bee, get over here. Crimson bee. This is the last bee we're gonna be able to gift. Sadly. My brother just set my phone down somewhere without even handing it back to me. Alright, so, so what we're gonna do, that amount, oh, I'm gonna be an atomic treat, convert amount is not bad. Whoa, what is happening? The Dragon Warrior! It's me! I hate myself for that. Sorry, guys. Let me actually check up on my videos. I haven't checked on them since a little while ago. Jeez! Jeez! You guys really loved my Walking in a Wavy Wonderland video. It already has as much views as my most viewed video, my challenge video. That's crazy! Vector. Okay. His comment just says Vector. Vector B loves honey. Shout out to you. How much subs? Still 21 subs, but that's okay. That's okay. Because now I have 3 comments on my newest video. Content? Go to our content? Never mind. Wait. Yeah, never mind. Dude. Y'all are so goated. What? What? Y'all are actually so cool, bro. You guys already made my video. Has anybody else viewed it yet? You have already made my video have as much views as my most viewed video. And it was published 4 days ago. That means a lot to me, actually. Alright. So what we do now, I do not know. But what we are gonna do, I don't think y'all understand that. Knowing that boosted so many things, I think we're just gonna use these. Hold on. We might actually want to boost. Because I was plotting last night. I was doing some devious plots last night, you guys. Devious plots. So if we boost... Wait, no, I just spent... If... Oh, jeez. That is, no. Buy tickets. It might be the most horrible thing known to man. But then we can buy gumdrops and make glues. Think about it. I was planning to buy 500 tickets each, because 500 tickets gives 1,500 gumdrops, and 1,500 gumdrops is 30 glues. See where I'm going with this? Well, if you don't, then that's the point. Because sometimes, I don't know what I'm doing myself. We're gonna do a boss run really quick. Gummy bee, take your gumdrops! Thank you. Give me those glues. I do not want the gummy baller. No. We're almost there to the amount of blue and red extracts. Return. Going back to our hive. Wait, does infinite gumdrops? I know what it does, but like I'm gonna see if it does that too. Free gumdrops. My bad. So if that happens, then we should technically. No, we can't. But do 60 tickets. Wanna buy 1,000 royal jellies? And I think I'm gonna go over and spend our tickets on gumdrops. No, we have 588. That should be good for 11 glues. Unless... Yeah, our glue amounts are dwindling. Oh, this guy's a Scorpio star sign. Cool. Ooh, wait. Wait. Bees, where are you? There you are. And you're cooked. Get cooked! Get cooked! Get into my fried chicken, bro. Get cooked into like my 20 piece, bro. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. What are the odds that I get a mythic egg here? What are the odds? If I got a mythic egg, I'd probably donate it to the sticker printer right there, and then I wouldn't hatch it at my hive. Because they're all like you'd hatch it at your hive in like mid game for like cause mythics. Oh, that was a micro converter. I was like, that's something. Oh, look at this kid. Hooray! He gets faster than me and starts stealing my loot. My loot. Mine! Not his. Mine. But I don't think we're gonna get anything. Sad. Anyways. No, wait. Anyways. We're gonna go down. And all we're gonna do, literally all we're gonna do is just make some glues. Right? Just make some glues. Oblivious to everything else. 11 glues. Not gonna speed it up. We don't have any tickets, but we're just gonna leave it. I'll be right back, guys. I'm back, you guys. So, yeah, we let our glues run for a little while. I've never seen a, oh, that's Priss. Yo, he has the Cocoa Belt! That's sick! That is so sick. I'm gonna turn in the quest for Polar Bear. Yeah, I just had to get up. Some food. Oh my gosh. It's sprayed and got everywhere. Eating some homemade garlic bread. I don't really know what to do. Oh yeah, boss run. Forgot. Let me first. Looking for this. This. That's it. Excuse me. So we're gonna go Tunnel Bear first. Cooked. Didn't really drop anything, but we have 80 gingerbread bears. $20 glues. We're gonna buy this. The only way we're gonna buy that is if we can't get this. This is good. You get faster planners from that. Moon charms. Pretty good stuff. I'd say, at least. Yeah. I don't like how the ticket tent changed. I don't. Because you can buy mythic eggs now. And that's just... I just don't know if I like that. You know what? Let's do Riley B quests. Okay, gun. Why did I say gun? What? Pinky, alright, leave me, bro. Jeez, bro. It ain't that deep. Roses? Easy! That's what I thought. Easy. Oh, I forgot to place that down. Oh yeah. Easy quest, easy quest, easy quest, easy quest. Quest is literally cooked. Literally cooked! Cooked. Without any boosts. Clean up again? What a frick? Dang! I filled up in less than like a second, bro. Guiding star passive, heck yeah. Heck yeah. Mushroom field is cooked. How is mushroom field not getting cooked? There we go. Now it's cooked. Yep, cooked. Okay, cooked. We go to this field now. You're cooked. Cooked. I'm cooking! I'm cooking, chat. A chat! Why am I like this? Jeez, bro. Hello? My game okay? My game okay? Is my game okay? Like, it's frozen. It didn't... Oh, no mind, it did. Wait, no, it didn't. It didn't give me the thing that my quest was done, bro. Poor bet! Bet that! I'm surprised he hasn't incorporated Pepper Patch yet. That genuinely surprises me. Rose field is cooked. We're gonna go kill the ladybugs over here. If we get like medley, then no. Bees, get over here. Oh yeah. Oh, I finished brown bears. What sick. Alright, anyways, strawberry field. Here we are. Hey, I'm surprised you haven't incorporated the fact that Pepper Patch exists. It's pretty surprising. Oh, here comes Pris. And Strawberry Field is cooked. Goodbye, Strawberry Field. You're cooked. Cooked. Oh yeah, I forgot. We could do Cocoa Crab. If you're enjoying it if you're enjoying the video so far, please like and subscribe. If you do, I can't thank you enough. Aphid! Kill the aphid! Kill the aphid! Aphid, you're cooked! You're cooked! Get cooked! Get baked to a crisp! W in the chat. In the chat. Yeah, if you're enjoying the video so far, just please hit that subscribe button. Maybe they'll like it too. You can unsubscribe later and it's completely free. And it'll help me out a lot. It really will. I'm trying to surpass my friends. They don't support my YouTube channel. I don't care. I don't care, to be honest. I'll just keep doing my thing. And I want to beat them in subs. I think they have like 100. So if that's the case, then also leave a comment down below. What's your least favorite quest giver? I don't care about sticker sprouts, to be honest. Unless you have walking in a wavy wonderland, sticker sprouts don't matter that much to you. Yes! And you're cooked. You're dead. Get cooked. Get cooked. Get cooked to a crisp. Almost to the record. Oh my gosh, bro. Glue. Can I get a link? Oh, there we go. Can I please just link everything? Yes. That. And yeah, my friend has this, which is pretty sigma. Coconut belt. Leave a comment down below if you have the pedal belt or the coconut belt. Fine, I'll freaking speak, bro. Yeah, my friend, I'm inviting my friend because yeah, This is the guy that was in one of my other videos. Yeah. Starting to slowly run out of ideas. Never mind, he's not joining. So, I think that's going to wrap it up for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't be afraid. Leave a comment, like the video, subscribe to my channel. It'll be in the end of the screen. Thank you so much for the support. And once again, if you want to collab, just ring me up or comment on my video and I'll see what I can do. But in that case, I think I'll have to see you next time.